Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haiqal Syaihony. Today I want to make a project presentation, and material number 1 is about mechanical keyboard. Introduction. Welcome to our presentation on a mechanical keyboard, where we delve into the fascinating world of tactile precision and customizable typing experience. What is a mechanical keyboard? A mechanical keyboard is a type of keyboard that uses individual mechanical switch for each key, not like a normal keyboard that use membrane pad to all the keys. Unlike membrane keyboard found in most laptop and desktop, mechanical keyboard offer distinct key presses and tactile feedback. And here's an anatomy of a mechanical keyboard from the top to the bottom. First one, you got the keycaps, then the switches, the plate, sound absorbing foam, PCB plate, and then silicone bottom plate, and then the last one is bottom case. Alright, next, type of a mechanical key switch, most common used. First one, we get the blue switch, click, aka clicky switch, emit an audible click and tactile bump upon actuation, such as Cherry MX Blue. Second is a brown switch known as tactile switch, provide a tactile bump without the audible click like Cherry MX Blue. Third one is a red switch known as linear switches, offer a smooth keystroke without tactile feedback such as Cherry MX Red. Right next to the benefit of a mechanical keyboard. First one is durability. Mechanical switches are rated from tens of a million of keystroke, ensuring longevity. Second one is typing experience. Customized feedback and actuation force cater to individual preference, reducing typing fatigue. Third one is accuracy. The tactile feedback AMD distinct key presses in change typing accuracy. Last one is customization. Last one is a customization. Keycap set, switch type, and RGB lighting option allows user to personalize their keyboards. Next up, application of mechanical keyboard. First one is gaming. Enhanced responsibility and tactile feedback makes mechanical keyboard popular among gamers. Second is writing appreciation. The tactile feedback and satisfy keystroke for a long write session. The last one is programming. Typing accuracy and customizable layouts benefits programmers during a long session. Also, mechanical keyboard, they have a lot of layouts to personalize your needs, like this one. Okay, this one are a 60% keyboard where you only get the alphabet, not the arrow keys. Next up is maintenance and care. First one, regular cleaning. Remove dust and disturb with compressed air or a keycap puller. Second one is lubrication. Lubricate switch for smoother keystrokes. Third one is keycap replacement. Replace worn out or damaged keycaps. Maintain aesthetic and typing experience. You can also change your own keycaps with a lot of bunch of colors and profiles and materials. Here's a example of a profile keyboard you can find in other keyboard, or you can bought it just the keycaps like Cherry Profile, DSA, SA, MCR, MDA, and MG. Alright, here a popular mechanical keyboard brand in global. They have a lot of brands out there. Here's we have Keychron, Logitech, G, Razer, Corsair, HyperX, Ducky, RK, KB Defense, SteelSeries, Cherry, and more. And here's a local brand in Indonesia, made in Indonesian, maybe. Here's a Rexus, Sades, Pressplay, NYK, Daru, Fantech, Vortex, Noir, and Digital, and much more. Here's where, in conclusion, mechanical keyboard offer a typing experience with durability, customization option, and tactile precision. Explore the vast world of a mechanical keyboard to find the perfect fit to your typing needs. Okay, that's from project Material 1, and we're next to the Material 2 that we talk about. Now we talk about custom water cooling for computer. The custom water cooling or open loop liquid cooling is an advanced method of cooling your PC. Introduction. Custom water cooling is a high performance cooling solution for enthusiast PC builders. Unlike traditional cooling, custom water cooling uses liquid coolant to dissipate heat more efficiently. Here's a component of a custom water cooling system you need. First one is water block, radiator, pump, tubing, reservoir, fans, and coolant. Next up, here's a advice of what custom water cooling. First one, superior cooling performance. Allow for lower temperature compressed to air cooling solution. Second one is quiet operation. Liquid coolant transfer heat more efficiently resulting in quieter operation. Third one is overclocking potential. Improved thermal performance enable higher overclocking potential for CPU and GPU. Fourth one is aesthetic. Custom water cooling loops can add visual striking element to the PC builds. Fifth one is longevity. Lower operating temperatures can help prolong the lifespan of components. Next up is consideration when build a custom water cooling system. First one you need is compatibility. Ensure compatibility between water blocks, radiator, and heater components. Second one is maintenance. Regular maintenance including cleaning and coolant replacement is necessary to prevent issues. Third one is the cost. Water cooling setup can be more expensive than traditional air cooling solution. The fourth one is a skill level. Building a custom water cooling loop requires technical knowledge and careful planning. With a normal knowledge, you can build this PC because they can be bleeding and damage your own computer, so it's not can't do with the normal skill issues. Here we're on real world application where we need to use a water cooling system in our computer. The first one is enthusiast gaming PCs. To achieve a maximum performance and aesthetic with custom water cooling loops. Second one is content creation workstation. Ensure optimal thermal performance for CPU and GPU intensive tasks. So you can use the PC with the high task without worry about the temperature because they are using liquid cooling to cool it. The fifth one is overclocking enthusiast. Same as the content creator workstation. To unlock full potential of a hardware superior cooling solution. And we're in conclusion, custom water cooling system offer unparalleled cooling performance and aesthetic for PC enthusiasts. With careful planning and attention to detail, custom water cooling can take PC build to the next level performance and visual appeal. Okay, that's it for the Material 2. Sorry for all the mistakes and all of them. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.